So welcome guys to my minimalist apartment tour. So this is the apartment I used for almost a year in Azerbaijan, Baku. So this is the entrance. So when you enter, you use foot mat, then there's a mirror here, which I like. It's quite very good, and also a lot of space inside, a lot of space for me to put things. Like I won't be opening them inside because inside is unseeable. So that's it. And we have like, do you know what I love about this apartment is the owner of this apartment was actually thinking of people. So when you open the door at the entrance, you see this thing. It's for shoes, up to 3 type, which is very cool. Then also we have a rack here where you can hang your jackets, your friends, if they come visiting, they can hang things here, bags and everything. They don't have to carry everything inside the space. Yeah, repping medical life, my stethoscope here. A gift for my friend, she's from Dubai. And this is a place where you just sit and wear your shoes. We have the shoe on here. Like when you come in, of course, you have to sanitize. So yeah. So that's it. I love this space very much. It's enough. Like it's enough. So from here like this, we can move to the living room. But before we move to the living room, I will show you guys the toilet. So this is the space going inside the living room. But when you come here, there is another space going into the toilet. And what I like about this toilet is it's quite spacious. And I remember there was someone that came to visit me, and the guy was like, I wish you could give me space inside this apartment and I will take the bathroom. What I love about this apartment is the bathroom. I hate bathrooms that are like idiots. I don't know how to put it. What's the word? That it's not so open. This bathroom is very open. I like the tiles, not slippery. So here we have the washing machine here. I know some apartments in Azerbaijan, most of them they put the washing machine in the kitchen, which for me I don't like. But the main reason why I took this apartment is the bathroom. It's giving what is meant to be given, if you understand that. So the washing machine is here where you brush and wash hands, a mirror, the space where you can put your soap and all the laundry listing. And this is the basin for shower here. So, and we have the shower, what's it called? What's the word? Shower rack or something like that. And over here we have the toilet. Simple, nothing, how will I say, nothing idiot. This is where I hang my towels. So after coming out from the bathroom, remember this is the entrance, the bathroom and toilet. So we come here, this door leads to the living room and bedroom and kitchen. So come along, let's see. So it's opened like this and you come into the living room. Let me tell you one thing about this apartment is, I don't know what the owner was trying to achieve, but it's giving me like rustic, boho kind of vibes. You see a lot of brown going on in this apartment and red, which is not the regular apartment. So here we have our rug. This carpet, I think it represents Azerbaijan carpet. This is how they are designed and their this thing is. So mostly in Arabic or Arab apartments, you can find this kind of rug. And we have our leather chair. See, when we were looking for this apartment and I saw this leather chair, I was like, hey, it's been long I saw leather chair in someone's apartment. So this is it. Very simple, nothing serious going on here. And we have this frame. The funny thing is when we moved into this apartment, I didn't notice this frame already. Maybe it was after 2 days I noticed that, oh, we have a frame here. So this frame just like, you know, we gave it cozy and welcoming vibe. And when we move here, see, we have a lot of space. Look at the space from here. Me coming from the other place. Look at the space here. Just look. So I have a lot of space to play with. Like the space is just too big. Then we move here. Nothing serious. I used to film my YouTube videos here. My tripod. I used to put my tripod and everything for filming here. Then we move to this place. TV area, which I don't watch anything from this thing. So like I said, we have a lot of brown going on. Here. The center table also is brown. So move to this side. So this is the dining. See, I don't know what you are going to tell me if this red is not going with the aesthetic or something. So we have a dining here. Red chairs and wooden table. Something interesting is that this table you can convert it like to be longer, so which is kind of cool, you know. And this other space is leading to the kitchen. Here we have another brown this thing going on here. Our Wi-Fi is here, and I have this little coat. So I had to get a brown frame, you know, just to go with everything. Everything inside this apartment is brown. It's from Joshua 24:15. So let's go inside the bedroom. This is the bedroom. We have the big wardrobe, like a very big one that even I can't even finish using the space. And we have a mirror here, a chair for sitting down. If there is one thing I don't like about this apartment, it's the pipes that are being passed around, and I think it goes all down to the other floors, down and upstairs. I like the bed. It's quite good. It's very, very good, comfortable. We have the chandeliers. Then we have one AC inside the room, a small window. And the reason why I'm putting on the ring light here, it's just that the room is not bright enough. So I like my space to be a bit bright, but this room is not giving what it's meant to be giving. But it's all good. Then we have space for wardrobes for putting things. which I'm not even using, you know. A lot of space in here. The bedroom is big enough, it's spacious. um Everything is okay. I like the wardrobe, like it's all white. I think the theme of this apartment, for the owner, is brown, white, and cream color. So it's a lot of brown going on in this apartment. You see a lot of brown. So that's it. Going into the kitchen is not so big, but it is doing its job well. Simple and straight ahead. So going into the kitchen, I think the theme inside this kitchen is gray, blue, and white. So we have like this tall windows around here, tabletop, oven. We have one mirror here, which is it's very cool. I love that there's a mirror in the kitchen. Fridge and then we move to the oven side.